Thing worth noting with respect to the objects we created in the previous video using this code above is that our method isn't really doing all that much more than our properties, right? Because we output our property here, which gives us this, and then the get method is basically, it's returning a string, but it's basically giving us the same information. But one thing that a method can do for you is it can allow you to expose a property that you want to keep private otherwise. So if we change the code here just a little bit, instead of making it this speed, we just call it var. Now this property is private because if you look at now when we run this, when we try to output my Chevy's speed, which is this, it returns undefined. Uh, this notation just doesn't have any way of accessing it. But we can access it through the method if we just change this a little bit. So if we just get rid of this dot speed here and put here this speed, now with the get method, we can still expose the property even though it's private if we try to access it directly. Now, of course, there's many other reasons why you might want to use methods, but this is actually one good reason why we start to use methods as opposed to just using properties in an object. Okay, that's a wrap.